Hello. So this is the road to the waterfall. So road on top of the mountain. So today I'm doing this adventure alone. Yeah, in Kampong province, looking for the waterfall. I'm hearing the sound now. Okay, over there, down there. So I hear it. This is Kral waterfall. Okay, it's not like the waterfall that's falling down from the cliff. It's very high, but this is just like the water falling down or flowing down through the slope of the mountain. This is Kral waterfall. So this is part of the range of Kral mountain, or it may be called Full Kral. So this place also is one of the tourist sites in part of the Vietnam province. So this is the a place to visit in the Vietnam province. It's naturally waterfall, but don't be confused that this is the waterfall that's falling down from the cliff of the mountain very high. But just around here it's just only the water flowing down through the slope of the mountain. In the rainy season, it's very beautiful, but in dry season, Google must be less than this, right? Okay. Okay, so very much. Thank you for watching this video.